favorite hot water kettle to date. This holds 18 cups of water. It boils within 3 minutes of turning it on. It has a very cool light. Look at that. Very cool light. Nice ergonomic handle. The lid comes off very easily. It's very easy to clean. The cord can be wrapped around underneath the kettle. And if you can hear it, so I just turned it on and the water will boil shortly. I use it for tea. And I love it. If you're looking for a gift to buy somebody who just bought a housewarming gift, or even a nice little wedding present, or an elderly person who loves their tea and keeps it very simple, this would be perfect for them.